So how to buy cryptocurrency for a beginner. This is a very, very important step that you need to do because you need to do research. If you're new around here, please subscribe, hit the like button. And yeah, learning crypto here will hopefully aim to get you in the right part of the industry, not down the back alleys and the scammy places, because that happens, right? So we've done a course, investing, but this is going to show you a little bit in terms of the free stuff that'll help you make the correct decision. I want you to make the correct decision. This is a hobby that will become a lifestyle. Trust me on this. You will get obsessed. You will get interested. You will start buying random stuff and your risk will increase. But you need to start buying cryptocurrency first. And there's a right way and there's a wrong way. Go to CoinMarketCap first, right? Because you can go to exchanges, go to spot, and you want to do a little bit of research before you jump in. You want to find out how much liquidity do they have? Are they trusted? How many coins do they have? Now, most people will want to buy cryptocurrency just because their friend said it or they've seen something on social media. Please do your research in A, the exchange, B, the cryptocurrency, and 3, in the next few videos, we're going to start talking about other things such as NFTs and wallets. You need to make sure you understand it all, right? So, first step, to understand this, you need to have a fiat on-ramp. Take your money into a cryptocurrency exchange via Great British Pound, Euro, USD, Yen, whatever currency you are currently in. Now, first one is the obvious one you can see on the screen, Binance. There's a lot of different ones, but as I said, you need to do a little bit of research because it will become interesting because you will want to buy a random coin. You will put your money in there and you may find it's a little bit dodgy. So please make sure you understand that. So a little side note to this, if you go to any coin, so you want to buy Cardano, go to Markets tab here on CoinMarketCap, you can find out where you can buy it. So if that makes your decision even easier, do it that way, right? But the first one, Binance, super straightforward in terms of how to put money into this. I will show you very, very soon, stick around, how to actually buy via spot. I will show you in a second, right? It's super simple, but we'll go through a few options first. Binance is one of the main options. You can pay by a card, by a bank, is not all kinds of stuff, right? Coinbase is another very obvious one. Now as well, one big thing, jurisdiction. If you're in the US, you may have to use different things. I think Coinbase is all right, but it may not be in certain places around the world, okay? So make sure you understand that. Same with a few others, right? This is really, really easy. Again, you can do it by a bank. When you do the transaction via your bank, it'll be free. And then when you convert it from pound, euro, whatever, into cryptocurrency, hello fees. So you'll get fees. Next one, another one, very obvious one, is Bybit. Very, very easy to use, very, very easy functionality. Swissborg, my favorite in terms of me personally, put an on-ramp in, an off-ramp on, and for my personal stuff, this is kind of what I use because it's super simple and it's always very, very quick and instant, and I've never really had any issues with it, so I keep using it. And the other one is Nexo. Again, I've heard a lot of people say it's quite good for on-ramp, off-ramp. Feel free to check it out. But the one that, focus on is going to be the likes of Coinbase. Because of the regulation standpoint, this is the most regulated in terms of this list. There is obviously other exchanges regulated, the likes of Gemini. I think CoinPass in the UK as well, CoinCoin, there's quite a few. But if you're not in the UK, it doesn't really matter. However, with regards to this is what Learning Crypto uses for investments. We use Coinbase, okay? So let's go on to Binance and I'll show you how to use Spot. Very, very straightforward. So when you log into Binance, it's very, very straightforward. This is obviously your main homepage. Once you log in, on the right-hand side, you've got wallets and orders. Now, if you go to buy crypto, you can pick your currency. Very, very straightforward. There's a lot of different ones, as you can see. It's pretty chaotic, right? However, you can deposit via bank, credit card. I wouldn't do it by credit card, you know what I mean? Debit card. And obviously all the other stuff, right? Once your cryptocurrency is in, you'll then need to convert it over to a crypto. Most people do it to stable currencies for obvious reasons because you can buy in stable currencies. Or if you just want to buy Bitcoin, you can just convert it to that. So go to markets. The easiest tool is a convert tool. If you click on this, it's still very straightforward. You can convert, if you've got Great British Pounds or whatever, you can convert it to whatever you want really. It's super straightforward. Obviously you can see I've got some stuff in here. This is mostly market orders. You can do it limit as well. However, the best one to go on is Spot. Spot is super straightforward and you will see pretty quickly how it will work. So you've got your pairs. You've got BTC, you can find it all on here. So if you go to USD pairs here and then click on any of these, you can literally find whatever coin you want, right? So if you wanted to buy the likes of Nexo, for example, you can then, go onto here. It's 73 cents currently. If you want to do a limit order and you want to buy it at say 70 cents, you can then put in the amount that you want to buy and then press buy. It will not do it instantly, it's an exchange, but when the orders do hit, guess what? You'll get the coins and then they will go into your available balance here. To manage your balance though, you then go to your wallet, which is over here, go into your spot and fiat wallet, and you can then withdraw from here. Super straightforward, right? In terms of how it all works, it's a doddle. It is a doddle, right? All you need to do, if you're holding it, go to withdraw, and you can then move it to a cold storage if you so wish to, or if not, and you want to keep it on here, you can, and you can also sell it for a bigger price later on. But we will talk in other videos on this little introduction to crypto, how to profit, how to put it back into your bank as well, and obviously dollar cost averaging, how to do the strategical stuff, because it does become a bit of a minefield. But that's it. Super straightforward. But the one thing that I will say to everyone here, please do your research, right? If you are looking at exchanges, I don't care if this coin has got potential to do like a gazillion X, right? If you're buying on a dodgy exchange with no liquidity and they've literally just given you a coin and you can't get it out, it's your fault. You need to do your research. Some exchanges are dodgy. Just because they're on this website doesn't mean that, they're acting accordingly. So make sure you're aware of that. Anyways, if you like, leave a like. If you want more videos, press the fun button, or whatever you call it, the bell button, that's the one. See you later.